everyone, Nicole from Using Technology Better here with your March Monday.com updates. So let's jump into it. First up, we can now see our integrated automations center. So when you are on board and you jump into the automation center, over in the template space, you'll now see down the bottom left-hand side, underneath your custom recipes, that you have your integrations now sitting in this lovely automation center. So we have everything in one place. Super handy, time-saving change. The next thing that we have available in our board automations is the option to choose when a sub-item is created as a trigger. Now, this is a real game changer because previously we've had to structure our boards so that we can use automations for the item, the parent item, rather than the sub-item. So this one is really going to save a lot of people time, and you'll see that you have got all these actions available just as you would have if you were choosing when an item is created. So we absolutely are loving that one at UTB. Our next updates are sitting inside the Work Docs space. So in our last video in February, we know now that we have inline doc mentions. So when we hit /doc, then we can just search for any docs that we have available inside of Monday.com and reference them straight from in here. You'll see as well that in this menu, when we hit / we have a few more options. So if we scroll down, we now also have the availability to choose from custom tables. So this one is really going to be a nice time saver for us. Also now in Work Docs is this new feature where with our photos or pictures, we can insert captions. So we have the opportunity to show a caption, and we could say, people sharing knowledge, and we can have that caption sitting there, or we can hide it at any point. So we have the option to hide and show that caption. So a nice little accessibility change there on that feature. The last feature for the March Monday.com updates is to show you the newly redesigned mobile app. So you'll see when you come into the mobile app, the user interface has been refreshed. We have these lovely rounded drop downs. We can jump between my work and notifications much more easily and use the chips at the top to filter the information. So definitely go and download that and check it out because it is a really nice experience to have now on the go.